Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Pourquoi l'envie de donneruncoupdepouce sa forme par des complements alimentaires netientpassespromesses pas toujours promises ups 60 on. The text discusses the limitations of taking generic vitamin supplements after the age of 60, and the importance of a more scientific and personalized approach to maintaining good health. Key points. As we age, our physiology changes, and simply taking a one-size-fits-all multivitamin may not be effective as our bodies may not be able to properly absorb and utilize the nutrients. It is essential to get a complete blood test to identify any specific nutrient deficiencies before taking supplements, as most supplements are only proven effective for addressing identified deficiencies. Common deficiencies in seniors include vitamin D and vitamin B12, which can be addressed through targeted supplementation. Rather than relying on supplements, the best approach is to focus on a diet rich in whole, seasonal foods and regular physical activity tailored to individual needs. This holistic approach, combined with addressing any specific nutrient deficiencies identified through blood tests, is the key to maintaining vitality and health in the long term. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.